Okay, guys, we're here with Dave and Maddie. Well, welcome to your new home.
Thank
How
you.
is it? How does it feel? So we got to tell a crazy story. You guys found this lot, I think.
Yeah.
And you told us about it.
Yeah.
And then the time we actually went to put an offer in, someone else, some other crazy guy wanted to buy it.
Yeah, we got outbid.
And we got outbid because the fellow who bought it was going to put a shop in the back here.
Right.
We're on, how big is this lot? 4 acres?
3.5
acres.
3.5 acres. Just been built.
Yeah.
And so we put the offer in, we put a strong offer in, we didn't get it. And then we stuck with it. And the thing about these guys, they really realized they wanted to buy something brand new. So we went back to the builder, we were trying to find lots, we were driving all over the countryside here. And in the end, we said, you know what, let's put up a backup offer. And we did that on the Saturday morning, and sure enough, on the Saturday afternoon,
Bam.
that other offer, it didn't go through.
Yeah.
And your offer, because we had the backup offer in place, no one else could put offers in.
Yeah.
We got it straight away. And even when we met down here after the fact, I think it was the following Monday or Tuesday or Thursday or whatever it was, you were still like, do we really have this place? Like,
Yeah.
I was surprised. Like,
is it gonna be ours? And it is.
it's a dream home, so we're super happy to know that the other deal fell through and that we can now take it.
Sad for them, but not for us.
Yeah.
Oh, for sure. And you guys are expecting? So
Yes.
We are expecting,
Yes.
yeah.
And when is the baby due?
January.
Yeah, I knew that. So
That's
everything's set up here for the
Yes.
baby.
Exactly.
And David, I know you knew us years ago. You found us and used to come to the seminars in person.
Yeah, found you guys online and then gave you a call and you told me to come down to one of the seminars, and so I did. And
So David's made the smartest decisions. His first property was in Deer Run.
Deer Run,
It was 2 bedrooms up, 2 bedrooms down, I
it
think.
was 3 up and then 1 down.
1 down, and that same tenants are in there.
Same people, yeah.
And that's like 6
or 7 years
Jeez.
later now. Yeah.
So the mortgages got paid down a whole bunch.
Yeah.
And good tenants.
Exactly.
And that one's gone up in value. And then your next property we bought in Winston Heights, and we're just talking about it.
Just last summer, yeah.
And so Winston Heights, it's a builder's lot. We call it a builder's lot or a development lot, which means you can do whatever you want with it later on. It is a legal suite, and that one's cash flowing huge, right?
Oh, big time, yeah. Definitely.
And I know you bought it for around 500. Do you
Yeah, I
remember?
think it was 500 on the dot.
500, yeah. And
500
now
on the dot, yeah.
we're thinking we could definitely get 560 or even more for it today. So that's great.
Beautiful.
And so with all 3 properties, how old are you right now?
28, just turned, yeah.
28, and you own roughly $2 million worth of real estate.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Woo! Good cash. Good cash. So how does it feel? Like
It feels great. Like, I mean, the way you just presented that, I didn't think about it that way,
That's
but
amazing.
yes, it feels great.
yeah.
I mean, yeah, there's tons of property now that I own, and it's building up in value.
Yeah.
Equities getting built, and mortgage being paid down every single month, every single year.
And
it's great.
Owning $2 million worth of real estate at your age and having help, of course, now. Running your business, because I know you're quite busy, you're quite successful, has that impacted that at all, or taking time away, or is it just being a side gig that now you have $2 million worth of real estate that will one day be paid off, which is just amazing?
Oh yeah, I'm definitely busy with work, and that's been a work in progress over the last 5-6 years, and it's starting to really pay dividends now, and starting to really take off.
Yeah, and
over the last couple of years.
And owning rental properties, has that have you been like, oh, that's too stressful to go deal with that, or
The rental properties?
Yeah,
Oh
on
no,
top of your work.
no, not at all. I honestly don't spend that much time. I get a call here and there from some of the tenants, and sometimes they have a question. Maybe they need someone to come fix a doorknob, which I did once, and then I had to get new tenants for my basement suite just this summer, which I filled it in 2 weeks or less. And I got great tenants for it.
I remember we turned up to your Winston Heights property. I
Oh,
was
man,
there
yeah.
the day we rented it out, and I
lineup.
told David, do an open house, and you posted exactly how we said, and I think it was 12 p.m. on a Saturday.
Yeah.
I turned up 5 minutes late. There must be 50 people outside.
No way.
Oh,
And
it's
COVID
packed, yeah.
had just started. So I was sitting outside, I was nervous because all these people, no mask, no nothing, 50 people in his upstairs suite, downstairs
Oh
suite.
my gosh.
And then he picked some guy that had a yoga studio in
Right.
the garage, right? And
Exactly.
paid even more money.
Yeah, because he chose to take the garage as well on top
Wow,
of
I
the.
didn't know there was that many people.
Oh
it's
yeah,
jam-packed.
he had a
It's
choice.
crazy.
Choice of
Yeah.
tenants.
Wow.
So David, I know you've come to the seminars for the years. You've been an inspiration to Tim and I. We could definitely say that. Is there any advice for the listeners out there that follow our Crew TV on
Oh, for sure.
on working with Azad and Tim and Calgary Real Estate Wealth?
Before I met you guys, I was super gung-ho about finding the right people to work with and the right people, the right realtors to help me start my journey in real estate. And I went through a handful or 2 handfuls of different realtors, met up with a couple, you know, set up some meetings at multiple different houses just to meet and kind of mastermind with some other realtors that can kind of show me the way, carve a little path for me, give me some good hints and tips, and just simply, you know, kind of hold my hand.
Yeah.
And none of them worked out. And then I found you guys, attended your seminars multiple times.
Yeah.
Bought my first house through you guys. I instantly liked you guys when I went to your seminar. I could instantly feel a genuine touch.
And I could tell he's telling the truth because whenever I see his mom says, "Yeah, David believes in you guys."
Yeah, I talk about you guys with my mom a lot. Yeah.
I'm nervous because you got to remember we bought his first property for him, and that was
Right.
his price point was in the 300 range, and then his second price point was in the 500,000, and then the
exactly.
third one's in the $1 million range. It's just,
Yeah, just
and you're
climbing
at
up.
such a young age, right? But now you've got everything that you could possibly want. You can add value onto this. If you want.
Absolutely.
Like there's so much potential here as well. Such a big lot. We just want to say thank you.
Yeah,
and,
Thank you guys.
Yeah,
honestly.
Yeah.
Congratulations on this house. It's
Thank
Thank
great.
you very much.
Yeah.
Appreciate
It's
that.
very
I
exciting.
guess that's a wrap.
That's a wrap.